She's awake. Hello my diamonds and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and to join the Diamond Squad, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button right down below, and don't forget the little bell that goes along with it. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out new makeup with you guys. So if you want to test out some makeup with me, go ahead and grab a snack, grab a drink, grab your best friend. Let's do some makeup together, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alrighty, so let's just jump right in. Our hair is back. We're good to go. Oh yeah, and then I did do my skincare off camera. So my skincare is done. We're glowy, we're hydrated, we're living our best life. So your first step in really good makeup is a really good skincare routine. So remember that, ladies and gentlemen. And also I did prime my lips, or moisturize my lips as well, with the Aquaphor. This is my favorite lip balm like ever. This and the Vaseline are so good. I'm gonna use the new e.l.f. primer. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha primer, the Silk Canvas primer. So this is supposed to be a dupe for it. Let's see if it is. I tried the Silk Canvas one and I was not like in love with it. It kind of made me a little slippery slidey, but let's see how this works. So I'm excited to see how this performs. I'm not too sure. I love doing days like this where I do makeup, like kind of like test out new makeup, especially for people who are watching this. Thank you for watching this. But I feel like it's important because sometimes you go to the drugstore or Sephora, Ulta and stuff, and you just like don't know what to pick out, don't know what works for you. So if it works for somebody else and you see them like testing it on camera, then hopefully it'll give you guys more of an idea of if it's going to work out for you, if you have skin like a similar tone to me, or foundation color, or you like some of the things that I like. This would totally help you out. So this is why I like doing these kind of videos, because then we all win. You know what I mean? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Next I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the Clinique Even Better Makeup, and it's has an SPF of 15, so just so you know. It does have SPF in there, and then it evens and corrects as you're wearing it. So I love a product like this because I am so into skincare. I love skincare probably a little bit more than makeup because I don't know, I just love skincare so much. It makes me feel so good. My skin has cleared up so much. If you see me in earlier videos on my channel, I have very, very bad acne, but I've been doing a lot to clear that up. So a product like this that goes on your skin, and if you're wearing it throughout the day, it's gonna also have like skincare benefits in there. That's awesome. So it has SPF, which is really good to help not get any like dark spots or anything like that and protect your skin. And then it has some product in there that helps you diminish the dark spots, helps even out your skin tone. Pounce this in with my beauty blender. This is more of a like dewy finish. It's not a matte foundation at all, but I've been kind of into that, and it's more of a like medium coverage, light medium coverage, which I've been into as well. I've been like wanting to kind of rock more of my like natural skin, I guess, because I'm not like breaking out so much. I'm like okay showing some of my real skin and like kind of doing more natural on the face as far as like foundation. But I don't know, I do go in with like a full coverage powder foundation too, so I guess this just like helps me not look as like cakey or anything like that. It's very light, but it is buildable, which I really like. See, the coverage is just really, really pretty. It's like not too much. It is dewy, so like setting it with a powder like I usually do will help. And then if you want to use like a dewy foundation and you're oily, if you start off with a mattifying primer and then go in with like whatever foundation you want. You're gonna have like a really good base that'll help with the oils throughout the day, but then still look dewy and fresh and pretty if y'all want to. So that's kind of like my trick. If I want to use something a little bit more dewy on the face, I will go in with a mattifying primer. This Pore Putty, I think it does come in a mattifying primer as well, but I just have the regular one. So I'm going to see how this works, and if I like it, I'll get the mattifying one as well. But so far, it looks really good. So next we're going to go in with this new, not new, but new to me, concealer. This is the KKW Beauty Concealer. So it's like Kim Kardashian's line like concealer. And this is in the shade 2. I like a really bright under eye. So the brighter the better. So I'm just highlighting all the normal spots I usually highlight, and then I'm gonna bounce it out with my booty blender. And then we're gonna set with this ColourPop setting powder. This is the no filter setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana, so it's gonna have more of a banana-y yellow tone to it, which again helps with brightening up the under eye area. So I'll be right back because I'm gonna do this real fast. She's awake. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and I think I used this on my channel, but it's been a really long time, so I'm just gonna quickly tell you that it is the Tom Ford bronzing powder, and this is in Gold Dust 01. So it looks like that. It's bushy. It's Tom Ford. So I'm just gonna bronze my skin with this. This looks, oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I haven't used this in a really long time. That's why I like threw it in here. I didn't really get any new bronzers. So if you have any bronzer recommendations for me, definitely leave them in the comments. So with my nose contour, I've been like trying to like sketch it out a little more so it doesn't look too harsh or anything. So lately I've been doing like a little bakeage on the side because I don't want it to end up looking like too thick. Like we want to be thick, but we don't want to be too thick. You know what I mean? She's cute or whatever. Now if that's on her nose, we're going to go ahead and contour. This is the Kevyn Aucoin contour powder, and this is in Tropical Nights. So cute. So it's like a little like gradient effect, and it gets like bronzy down here. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. I've already like used this, but I haven't used it in a really long time. So I thought I'd just add this in, but it's not really a new product. I'm gonna use this and just contour right back here by my ears. Since we're doing like contour too, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this contour. Make sure we're looking snatched. So I do have like a dewier foundation on, so if I had a matte foundation on, I wouldn't necessarily do all these steps. But since I have like a dewier foundation on underneath, all these steps will totally melt into the skin after some setting spray, and it will look all one, not powdery, not cakey. But powders are meant to be your friends, so use them like methodically, if that makes sense. So yeah, now we're gonna go in with some blush. I did recently pick this up. This is the ColourPop blush, and this is in the color She's in Bold. And I do like to take those pretty Y'all already know this. Now with this, I'm gonna add a little bit on the tip of my nose. I've been loving doing this lately. I don't know why. I've been watching too many TikToks. Put that down just a bit. So cute already. I'm gonna dust this off. You look snatched. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. So this is the loose highlighter, and this is in the color Extra. And I actually bought the brush that comes with it. But look how pretty this brush is. Can you guys see that? It's like little, it's like a little gradient effect from like silver, like glitter down to like clear, like acrylic. It is so pretty. It reminds me a little bit of the Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm gonna dump a little bit out onto the cap. It doesn't, like in my mirror, it doesn't look like I'm putting too much. And then boom. It looks like you put too much. I like going from the end of my brow, like kind of around, because whenever you look this way, you look real pulled back. A little bit above my brow. Lifts the face a little. I feel like this would be really good on fair people. Very fair people. This would be it. I think I might need to go a little bit darker on my highlights. She has a few. I'm feeling really good about the base right now. All these products seem to be working together. Very like cohesive. I look very snatched. What do y'all think? I feel really good right now. I think I'm gonna do my brows quickly off camera, and then we'll start on the eyes. So I'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the volume 2. It just came out recently, so I wanted to play with this, and we're just gonna see what look we can create. And then this is what the inside looks like. So I'm gonna go in with Perfectionist, and this is gonna be my transition shade, and I'm just gonna kind of pat it in first. I don't know why I've been like liking this whole method of like placing it and then blending it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend now. Smaller of a brush. I'm gonna go in with Thick Skin. Place this right in my crease. This is very, very pigmented. Very pigmented. I barely dipped. I barely took a dip. I barely dipped my brush in, and it is so pigmented. Now I'm gonna just lightly buff it in. Now the next color that I'm like so in love with in this palette, color called Next. I'm gonna go ahead and go with that one. And this is gonna be our lid shade. I'm gonna add a little bit of Oh Hello. Now I'm gonna take the first brush that we went in with, and I'm gonna just lightly start blending so that all the colors really blend together. So I'm gonna grab another shader brush. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Drama Queen. And I'm gonna tap that on the center of my eye where it's like most like rounded on my eyeball, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna start pounding this in. I'm gonna start pounding this in. I'm too much. Oh wow, this looks so pretty. So I sprayed my brush with a little bit Morphe setting spray, and we're gonna see how this brightens this color up. Oh yeah, that's better. I'm going to go do this eye now, and I'm gonna add some lashes, and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna add some Party to the bottom lash line. Take this brush that we dipped into Next, smudge this underneath the bottom lash line and smoke this out. Now I'm gonna take my little highlighting brush that I used to highlight, and I'm gonna take that same color that we've been using, Drama Queen. I'm gonna stamp that right underneath to kind of mimic the same halo eye, but on the bottom. I'm gonna add just a tad bit of black just to the outer corner, just to give us more of a defined like baby doll effect. I'm gonna add it. I feel like it opens up the eyes a little bit more. And then I'm gonna put a nude liner in here. It is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Space Dust. And it's just like a gold shimmery eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna use this to tightline my waterline. And that is the eye look. I think it looks so pretty. I'm gonna do bottom lashes too. Now I'm gonna do my lip color. So my lip color today is gonna be a mix of these two new lip liners that I got. These are the KKW Beauty lip liners. It doesn't say the color on here, but it's from the 90s glam like kind of edition that she had. So I'm gonna line my lips with this color. Now I'm gonna go in with her lipstick. Oh, I think the color is Runway, but it's like the 90s like collection, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this. Let me add a little bit of setting spray. So I'm gonna set my face now. Oh yes. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this look. It was so fun sitting down and just getting to spend some time with you guys and test out makeup together, see what worked, see what didn't. For the most part, everything is looking really good. I'll probably update you guys on a couple products in future videos, so make sure you're subscribed down below. Really love this look. If you guys like how it came out, definitely leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. That is so appreciated, and it helps out a lot. So yeah, other than that, this is it, babies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave me any suggestions for future videos down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!